on, everybody? I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back, guys, to another Disney Steve's presentation. Today, we're going to be reviewing the stock car for N2O Cola Racer, who is Parker Braxton, who's a anticipated release. He was made in China and he's been released from Thailand in a two-pack with I think, yeah, Speedy Comet in a 2-pack, which I don't have that 2-pack and I don't need. I just need Speedy from that pack. I already have him. So check out my last review, which was, I don't remember, my last video was, I think, on the mega haul of these cards, the Master X cards. I'll link the link in the description below. And the card suggestion pop up at the top right hand corner. So that was a good video doing on these cards. I like those cards a lot. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into the review of this card. So before I'm going to be starting with the review, I'm just going to talk about his appearance and releases from Disney Pixar cars and Mattel. First of his appearance, he appeared at the Motor Speedway of the South. I can't put pictures on the screen because I don't know lately how to put pictures though. He appeared at the Motor Speedway of the South and he was a very good racer over there. And then, yeah, Motor Speed of this. Then he got replaced by the next gen racer, AJ Hollis. He came after the stalker before veteran racer from Cars 1 who was Manny Flywheel. After Manny Flywheel was replaced by Parker Braxton, he got replaced by Parker Braxton and he's getting replaced by AJ Hollis, who's the next gen of N2O Cola Racer. So let's talk about his appearance, the releases. He's been released in, I think, a 2-pack. In 2019, in 2020 and 2021 in 2-packs, and where the artwork is inaccurate, they've used Manny's artwork and not his original artwork. I don't know why they screwed up with the artwork. I think just a minute, guys. Yeah. So now let's start with the review of this car. Yeah, he has a lot of chips, but he looks good. Nothing that bad either. So taking a closer look at the front, you can see he has his 2 headlights, which is cool. You can see a 68 on the corners, which some of the stockers have that number. Actually, all of the stockers have them a lot lately from Disney Pixar cars. They're right there, one. And McQueen, I think that's an error, or he lately doesn't has the number at the side. Then we have Bruce Miller. He has the number at the side. Phil Tankson is also an error. He should have the number below his headlights, but he doesn't have. That's a very big error. And then Murray Clutch, but in the movie also you didn't have the number of your other side, which all of the other cars have them, but I don't know why. You can see Murray Clutchburn has his number as well. So yeah, he looks good, not that bad either. I like the expression by Mattel given by him. 2 headlights, you can see the number. He has vents. It's, I think even Phil Tankson have the vents. Mostly like next gens have them, but I don't have any next gens out there on my display showcase. And you can see the smiley face, the 2 headlights and all the stuff. And you can see it has a purplish bumper because it's a purple racer. So taking a closer look at the hood, you can see it has the N2O Cola Race logo. You can see over here it's like dark green tone and over here light green tone, which I like the tone paint used on him. My bad. You can see N2O, which stands for nitrous oxide, I think. I think nitrous dioxide, because 2 like carbon dioxide and all the stuff. You can see cola right here. You can see the screws on his hood, which some of the stockers have them like Phil Tankson over here. You can see lately. And yeah, even McQueen have them barely. You can see. You can even feel it though. Yeah. And then taking a closer look at the side, you can see he has black rims with the black lighted tires. You can see the lighted text, which is a white. The wheels also roll nice like a racing wheels. You can see the lighted logo on the fenders. So taking a look at the side, you can see his continuous sponsors are Piston Cup, Vidolene, Revolting, RPM, Nitrate, Octane Gain and Clutch Aid. You can see over there, you can't even barely see the text has been screwed up right there. And yeah, over here you can see 60. You can see 68, that arrow indicates the pit crew, where to lift him up, add to change the tires. Which it looks amazing, not that bad either. The arrow, what? And over here you can see that some of the stockers have the other side over here. The exhaust pipes and the arrow indicates the picture where to lift him up and to change the tires. Exhaust pipes right there. You can see the N2O Cola, which is kind of chips. Yeah, I don't care. I'll replace it. No, I don't want to replace it. You can see N2O Cola logo right there. That gas cap right there. You can see 68. The roof flaps, the same tone which was used on the hood, and now it's continued to the roof. And over here you can see the side his number. He has window bars like a bunch of other stock cars like Ernie Garrison. Just a minute, guys. Phil Tankson, who's gonna be my next review. I reviewed some of these cars, like I'm deleting some of my videos on my channel which have not come nicely. Yeah, you can see over here another one which is Lightning McQueen, and I'll show you all of them. And over here you can see the N2O Cola logo right there. Just a minute, yeah. You can see the N2O Cola logo right there, which is the same tone which was used on the hood. And now at the back, you can see the screws near the spoiler, which I think, yeah, few Tankson have them, and I think more, yeah, even Murray Clutch one has them, and I think he has the screws on the hood now. I think that's it. I think, yeah, those are only the stalkers who had them. N2O Cola, same screws, the spoiler. At the back you can see the two tail lights, N2O Cola, the camera, the tail light, 68 number, and the exhaust pipes, and there's something written completely chipped back. And there is the base. You can see it's made by Mattel. The date stamp which indicates that it is made by Mattel. It's not an artificial diecast, it's a real diecast. DXV53. You can see 1186 MJ, 1, NL. And that's pretty it for the car now. So now we're going to be comparing to all of these stock cars, and even McQueen is also kind of a stock car. We're going to be comparing them with all of these cars. So let's start first with this one. So we're going to start with this one first. He looks good, not that bad either. We have Lightning McQueen next. We're comparing it with Murray Clutch Bun. Now we're going to be comparing it to Phil Tankson. Saturday we're going to be we'll put all of the squad over here now. Let's go. So let's bring up all the squad, all of the stalkers, which I don't have all of them, but I have a couple of them. Yeah. So here is the squad of all of the stalkers we have. So if you're new, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking there. Watch another video by clicking there, and that's it for the video. So I'll see you guys for another video. So bye now.